with this SSW, coming to you with a new video. Now I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Umarex launchers, the HDP-50. Sure, it's good for only 5 shots, but it's 16 joules out of the box. Now, someone on YouTube did a test of these, and he tested the Umarex ammo coming out of this, and it was ineffective. And the only reason it was ineffective was because he was using those cheap tubes of Umarex rubber balls, and those cheap Umarex 50 caliber pepper balls. Nah, pepper balls aren't good at 50 caliber. I can tell you that. Anything less than 68, don't use pepper ball. It's the dispersal. It's the dispersal of the dust. No, this is a purely kinetic launcher. It's good for the price, I'll tell you that. It's effective for the price. You're only, on today's money, you'll be paying around $100 for this. Now, when I paid for it, it was like around $80, $89. So, inflation has really hit the head. But this is a very good launcher. Now, the ammunition you should be getting when you get an HDP-50 are these nylon PVC rounds for modern combat sports. Hits hard, good projectile, and at 16 joules it'll hurt. Another one that's a little bit heavier than the nylon PVC is something I just acquired from Amazon. 50 caliber aluminum balls. Don't use steel balls, it has to be aluminum balls. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video.